Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Alright, here we go. You're eating ketchup.
She's gonna put it in the tube. It makes this funny ass weird noise.
Oh my god!
Oh, dude, what the fuck?
I think it's dangerous around here. Dude, those things are gross. Learn to love that shit.
It smells like fucking fireworks.
It smells like the 4th of July out here.
I love it. Whoa!
Random ass firework going off.
Scared. Dude, those things will blow up in your hand and shit.
Yeah. Dude, that one of them blew up in my hand like this far away. Gas can.
Nice.
That was awesome. That was almost a big firework.
We all would have been hurting after that one.
That's loud as fuck, dude.
It's because of the trees.
Light and toss it to me.
Yeah, right next to the open gas can. That's smart.
Fucking awesome.
Oh, those are big firecrackers too.
Whoa, what the hell is that?
Your mom.
What the fuck?
Oh, very original.
Thanks, son.
Your mom goes to college.
Does she? Yeah. Fuck you. What the hell are you doing? Gas bomb?
Fuck that.
Fucking just like little trail.
Why would you do that?
Random one again.
Don't try to catch that, dude. Those things are burned so uneven. I told you! Dude, they don't have unpredictable.
Right now.
Dude, that was great.
Oh, that would hurt my ears.
I was out to catch it.
You got away?
Dude, these suck,
Yeah.
dude.
I got one too.
You're gonna hurt somebody. You got thrown fast.
Oh shit! Dude!